first.
Bye.
Then nitro tight.
Keyboard without tears.
What? Are your 2 pairs of socks to the penny? Or are these
Old.
clean?
Those are old. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, that's not good. Bashed my camera into my bike. It's alright. It's alright. I can close my helmet. I can close my helmet without having to move the wire. I'm pretty excited about that. I did test the audio this morning to make sure that it's actually working. This is going to be a little chilly, man, unless that sun comes out. Speaking of sun, we're going to go find my son. He's out here rollerblading somewhere. It's definitely chilly. 68 degrees, and I have 5 text messages. Since we're going this way, which is, there's a park up here, see if my son's rollerblading. Since I'm going this way, I'm going to just go a different way to work. We're going to go through, guess what? More road construction. Look at this little buddy on his motorcycle. You see him over there? They're way over there. And they're taking a break because Denver, well, he has asthma, but he can usually do okay exercise-wise. But he just got done having a cold, and that really affects his asthma, so. Alright, headed home for lunch. Just got back from Best Buy, looking for open box TVs. That's the best, okay? Because I don't care about the stand and the remote and all that stuff. I've got plenty of those. And we were looking for a TV for our green room. So if you don't know what a green room is, it's like the room that the band hangs out in. Especially when you're doing 3 services, you know, you sit in one, but the other 2 you don't usually. Or you're just kind of down there preparing, or you talk about the music before or after. Where are all the motorcycles? There's one. That is sweet. Look at those lights. And turbo. I hear you. Twins. Twins. What? Oh my, this is weird. Well, I don't know how many more times I can wave you over.
Daddy, you're home. What?
May I have the cable, please? Thank you.
Where does it plug in?
Yeah. Plug you in, please. Thank you! Now I have energy. It's an electric bike. Is it working? Is it working? Yep, it's working.
Would it be? Which way are you going?
Probably that way.
That way?
I think so. Which way are you going?
Right?
Which way are you going? Which way are you going? Hey, it's one of those little BMW smart cars. Never seen one before.